Okay. Binary, dalawa. Ternary, 3 or more. So take note class, ternary compounds composed of 3 or more elements. In this case, there are different types of ternary compounds. We have the acids. Okay, alam niyo pala we have the bases and we have the salts. Technically class, if acids and bases combine, obviously they form salts. We done that last time in the first quarter, tama? Meron na tayo no. Na-discuss ko na yun. Acid plus base is equal to salt.
Yes.
Base plus base. Acid. Alright, in this case class, paano natin masasabi na a certain compound is an acid? It's because of a certain ion. What is that ion? Okay, because of the cation ion, hydrogen 1+. Okay? Paano natin malalaman na acid pag meron na siyang hydrogen? Paano natin malalaman na base siya? Okay, the hydroxide. What is hydroxide? OH. 1-. Okay? Kapag salt siya, it is either the combination of cation ion and anion excluding hydrogen and hydroxide ion. Nakuha? So, any cation ion and anion except hydrogen and hydroxide. Salt siya. Nakuha nyo? In this case, class, how to name ternary compounds? Unang-una, in naming, positive first, and then followed by the negative. Tandaan, the positive first before the negative. Meaning, cation ion first, followed by the anion. Cation ion first before the anion. In naming acids class, acid. Sabi natin, acid has hydrogen 1+. Diba? Now, give me an example of a cation ion, knowing that hydrogen is there to be added. Aluminum pala, aluminum. Antimony is a cation ion.
Anayon pa dapat?
Siyempre, positive na nga yan. O siyempre, negative yung i-add mo. Ha? Sul? What is sulfate? Mali. SO? SO? SO4? 2-. Yung kasing laki nung pinano ko sa inyo. Alright, in this case class, hydrogen is the one which has positive, tama? Sulfate has the one with the negative sign, tama? Ano ang gagawin? Sabi ko, positive first, followed by the negative. But before we do that, we should crisscross first the oxidation numbers. Saan ba pupunta ang 2? Okay, sa ilalim ng bakit? It is because we follow the crisscross method. In this case, class 1 is the oxidation number of hydrogen. Therefore, wala na tayong ilalagay dito sa sulfate. Kasi 1 siya, automatically, hindi na natin kailangan ilagay sa formula. Now, kapag sinabi ko naman class, paano natin i-name to? We know for a fact that this is hydrogen. This is sulfate. Okay. Ano yung idea or concept about naming acids? If we have the IT in the on the ATE. This one, ITE, anong gagamitin? Okay, OUS plus? Okay, of course, you put the acid. ATE, IC plus acid. O in this case, sulfate, ano ang ending sound? Okay, we have the ATE. Therefore, we're going to follow IC kasi ATE nga siya. Paano natin papangalanan ito ngayon? Are we going to consider hydro? Hindi na natin i-consider yung hydro because hydro is only used for binary acids. Oh, in this case, class, what would be the name of this one? No more hydro. It is only sulfuric acid. Kuha? Nakuha na.
Opo.
Another example.
Okay.
Hello! Like nyo yan, like nyo yan. Baka maging trending ako. Joke. Alright, hydrogen plus acetate. What is the formula for acetate? Ayun lang yun. C2H3O2 1 minus. Okay. Now, class, kapag sinabi natin, gagawin natin siyang acid, obviously, this one is hydrogen. Tama? Now, paano natin siya? Ang tawag doon? Okay, i-criss-cross natin. So, hydrogen 1 plus C2H3O2 1 minus, obviously, 1 lang naman yan, so, wala na mangyayari. You just combine the two without putting any subscript because the oxidation numbers are only 1. Tama? Oh, what would be the formula? This is HC2H3O2. Paano natin papakalanan yan ngayon? Okay, this ATE, therefore, IC plus acid. What would be the name of this one? Ano acetic? Bisaya? We have acetic. Okay, acid. Question? None.
Ah.
Okay, base. Ano ang sabi natin about sa base? Ano ang anion na nandoon?
Hydroxide.
Okay, we have the hydroxide which is OH, 1 minus. Paano natin papangalanan ang ammonium? Ammonium muna. Ammonium class. Ammonium. Ammonium. Ala. Exam nyo na bukas, di ba?
NH4.
Ha? Ha?
NH4. NH4. 1 minus.
Okay, NH4.
1 minus.
1 minus ba?
Ay, plus 1.
Okay, 1 plus. Plus OH, 1 minus. O in this case, obviously, pag dudugtungin nyo lang yan, criss-cross, wala namang mangyayari kasi 1 lang siya. NH4OH. Ganyan lang siya kadali. Ang pangalan, wala naman tayong babaguhin sa base. Pag sasamahin na yung dalawang name, it would be ammonium hydroxide.
Sorry.
Another example.
May reviewer na ako. Oo, sige, bala na kayo.
Aluminum plus, yes. Aluminum plus 1 minus. Al.
Uy! Meron!
Okay lang, bakit naalis naman na tayo? Al. 3 plus OH, negative 1. Ang gagawin? Okay, criss-cross.
ALOH.
Al. Okay, the parenthesis, OH, 3.
Pag may ano?
Pag dalawa yung elements. Asan?
1 lang kasi.
1 lang kasi yung oxidation number. Take note that the oxidation number for this one is 3 plus, di ba?
Pag base sir, ganun.
Pag base at saka acid, pwede din. Pwede din siya sa salt. Karamihan nangyayari sa salt.
Para malalaman kung base.
Hala, paano daw malalaman kung base?
Hydroxide.
The hydroxide ion. Paano malalaman kung acid? The hydrogen ion. Di ba ganun yun? Oh, bakit natin siya nilagyan ng closing open parenthesis 3?
Kasi may number yun.
To indicate. Okay, para maging equal yung number of atoms for oxygen and number of atoms for hydrogen. Because take note, OH1 minus is a single ion. Kasi, kapag ginawa mong ganito, class, ako paulit-ulit na lang ako ng sinasabi. Mali ito. Kasi hydrogen is 3, oxygen is 1. You take note, OH1 minus is only 1. Oo, pag walang parenthesis, mali na. What would be the name of this one? Very easy, aluminum hydroxide. Ganun lang. Sakit sa ilong? May tanong pa? Saan pa ba nalilito? Alam niyo kung saan lang kayo nalilito, hindi kasi kayo nagme-memorize. Yun lang yun, hindi kasi kayo nagme-memorize. Yun lang yun. Kasi if you know this one already, no problem. If you know the anions and the cations, no problem. Because the concept in combining them and in naming them are very easy. Now, say for example, in salt, sabi natin ang salt is the combination of cation and anion, excluding or aside from hydrogen and hydroxide. In this case, class, say for example, ano to? Mali. Ano to? Ano to? Okay, anong gagawin? Okay, criss-cross. Wala namang mangyayari kasi 1 lang siya. Ano pangalan? Ammonium acetate. Ganun lang kadali sa salts.
Mas madali pala.
Wait, mura pa.
O, another example. Na. Ano ang Na? Sodium 1 plus. Okay, another example.
Ano yun? Parang 11.
Ano to? Ammonium, sodium and sulfide. So, ano magiging itsura niyan? Criss-cross plus Na2SO3. Ano pangalan?
Sodium sulfide.
Okay, as easy as that. It is sodium sulfide. Kuha? Wala nang papalitan. Sa acid lang actually nagpapalit ng pangalan.
Sa base wala na rin.
Sa base wala na rin, sa salts wala na rin. Ha? Say for example, class. Huy. Okay, ito. Ay, wag kasi ammonia. Another example of a certain Ha?
Basta pag-acid, sir, papatay yung ulo.
Oh, this one, class. Oh, this one. What is this one, class? This one is
Calcium.
sagot.
Calcium.
Calcium, this one.
Phosphate.
Phosphate, oxidation number of calcium. 2, anong 2? 2 plus. Phosphate. 3 minus. Anong gagawin? Cross. Anong magiging itsura? Ca? 3. At tsura?
Parenthesis, PO4, 2.
Pag tinanong, is the compound acid, salt, or base?
Salt.
Salt. Anong pangalan?
Calcium.
Phosphate. Ganun lang. Pinagsasama-sama lang yung mga pangalan. Okay, is there any question? 90 ID.
Ay, wala sila ako. Ay, wala ka.
Mga ganyan yung ganyan.
Pero, wala ka. Pero,